Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit on MEXC Exchange. So all you need to do is log into your account and then press on deposit here or deposit now. And then you will see that you need to select your crypto. For example, this one, you select the network and then it will show you the deposit address. You just copy it and paste it in the other app that you want to send crypto over with to MEXC. Or we can buy crypto with quick buy sell with card, Apple Pay, Google Pay and more. Or we can just use global bank transfer. I will show you how to do it with cards, for example. All you need to do is select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, for example this one, and then you enter the amount. For example, you want to buy 10. It will show you the amount in euros, for example, or in USD or anything, and then just you press on buy USDT. It will take you to another link where you need to put your credit card details and just do the transaction. Also, we can buy using global bank transfer. So buy purchase crypto, you choose the amount and also choose the cryptocurrency, and you will receive 114 cryptocurrency from this currency, and then you press on buy now, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.